Hi guys, today we are making air fried cookie dough and it should taste just like what you get at the fair in the deep fried cookie dough. All right, let's get started. Now I did that, I'm going to go ahead and point you down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Remember, it's just me and my camera if you've been watching for a while. All right, so what you need for this recipe is crescent rolls and cookie dough and an air fryer. You set your air fryer to 400 degrees and you let it warm up. Okay, that's what we're doing back there right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Ready? Let's do it. All right. So I took a single cookie and I got Nestle's. You can get Pillsbury or whatever you want. And you get your crescent rolls. I already opened them up and spread them out into the triangle. So you take your cookie dough. So this is the tough part because you kind of have to play operation with it. And you want to roll it up the best you can. I've had these sitting here for a minute, so they're a little warm. And just tuck them in. Well, that went better than I thought. All my years at Arby's wrapping sandwiches did me good. Okay, so then you pick it up, and you want to pinch the edges, like so. So all that delicious chocolate chip cookie dough stays in there. You can get whatever kind of cookie dough you want. I love chocolate chip. Okay, I know you guys can't see my head, but I want you to see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. It's already preheated. I sprayed some Pam on it. You want to do that before you put it in, okay? We're going to go ahead and do that now. Set your timer to 5 minutes. I don't have my glasses on. It looks good. All right. So I'm not going to keep you guys on here while it's cooking. It's kind of boring. If you would like to like, subscribe, and share my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. I'm a really tiny channel. It's just me doing something that I love. I'm trying new audio, so if it sounds a little weird, I'm sorry. We're trying to get better. Let me move it up for you here. There we go. Yeah, there's nobody behind the scenes moving the camera or changing the lighting. It's just me. And then we're going to let that cook for 5 minutes. You don't have to disturb it at 2.5 like you did the donuts. If you didn't watch the air fried donut video, check it out. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and pause it while it's cooking, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, it dinged. Are you ready to see what it looks like? I am. Let's get it. Oh, it's like the perfect little puff. It's actually a little bit darker than I would like, so maybe me and my glasses. Maybe I should have put them on, but let's take it out and open it up. All right. Okay, so here it is. Oop, he's sliding all over the place. Isn't that cute? I got some powdered sugar to put on it. And then we're going to do the reveal where we break it in half. It's so satisfying. Little bit. A little bit of powdered sugar. He's slippery on this plate. I can't get you a good shot. There we go. Look at that. Okay. It's so hot, so hopefully we could do this reveal, huh? Yeah. That's good powdered sugar. Okay, here we go. We're going to crack it in half. Oh, it cut beautifully. Okay. Messy. You're going to make a mess. Hopefully this works. I feel like I should cut it a little bit more. Okay. Ready? There it is. I got super chocolate chunk chocolate lovers. Inside, you have the nice crispy outside with a nice soft inside. Oh, it might be too hot to try. Nope. Very good. Nice and crispy on the outside. Super soft and warm. Look at that. That's all cookie dough right there. Super good. Look at that, 5 minutes. We're at the 5-minute mark. How quick and easy was that of a dessert? I mean, really? 5 minutes? Technically, you would add another 5 to that because we cooked it for 5 minutes. Yep, that's all it is for delicious air fried chocolate chip cookie dough. That's it. Fair food, yes. This is yet another fair food, the one that we did, and we succeeded. You could add chocolate syrup to that. You could add caramel to that. It is, I think the chocolate and the chocolate chips are enough for me. A little bit of powdered sugar. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I just remember when you're looking at the cookie dough, it's always marked. I'll show you. This one's already open and ripped. On this batch of cookie dough, right there, safe to eat raw. Make sure that your cookie dough says that because you're technically not cooking the cookie. You're just cooking the outside and warming up the cookie dough. So yeah, make sure that says that so everyone's safe. Nothing can happen. I don't promote well, you can't do sugar-free anything that I do, but I don't want to promote eating raw cookie dough because that can make you sick. So make sure it's marked safe to eat raw. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if you tried this air fried cookie dough. I can't stop eating it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll have another video coming up real soon. See you guys later. Bye-bye.